Hi, this is Mary with CoLab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to investigate the metadata of a specific component within a greater assembly. In this example, we have a basic brake caliper assembly, and I want to understand what this large cylinder housing unit is made out of. So what I'm going to do is select it here from the model, and then come to this bottom controls panel here and select the model browser. So from the model browser, we have this cylinder part selected. And on the bottom, you'll see that this properties panel has just populated with some essential component metadata. So I'm going to extend this up here. And this metadata is pulled from one of two places. One, you've uploaded a parent assembly file that has associated metadata for each component, or you're taking advantage of one of CoLab's PLM integrations. So if we integrate with Windchill, for instance, it is pulling all of the associated metadata of this specific component from Windchill into your review in CoLab. Okay, so maybe we've had some complaints on corrosion of this specific part. So I want to understand what this is made out of. So I can come here. Oh, yep. This is made out of aluminum, which makes sense. So maybe I want to understand how much it would cost to replace this part with stainless steel. So what I'm going to do is do RFQ for stainless steel here. I am going to tag in my supplier, Jacob, and say something like warranties for corrosion, want to explore other material options. So I'm going to go ahead and Jacob will receive this message here and give me an RFQ for stainless steel. So that's how we can take advantage of the model browser within CoLab to investigate component metadata.